Hello everyone. I'm starting your biology section, second chapter named food. So let us see about food. Food. What is food? In this chapter, I will focus on a brief introduction about food and its requirements. So let us see what is food. Food is just like a substance that satisfy our hunger. Hunger. When do we get hungry? When our stomach is empty. Now we see this is stomach. You know what we have or swallow, anything, it comes primarily in this stomach and it is remained here for a long. So proper functioning of this stomach, something is needed and this is fulfilled by this food. This stomach, its work is satisfied with food. So, in this sense, food is needed. This food is essential for all living beings, including humans. So, let us see requirements of food. There are following reasons for its requirement. First, for getting energy. You know, energy is required for all activities of living beings. For carrying out of all activities, all the jobs for life process, it required for carrying out all the jobs for life process. all the jobs. What are these jobs? They are growth, repair, and functioning of the body. For the proper growth of the body, you know, growth is one of the important characteristics of all living beings. In detail, we will say in next chapter. Next one, repairment. Repairment of tissues or organs. You know, for instance, in case of cuts and injury, it is needed to replace them, these old tissues or damaged tissues or injured tissues into new ones. Proper functioning of the body for all functions that may be internal or external. For its execution, energy is needed. We see for all activities that I told you, food is concerned indirectly. Indirectly, food is concerned with all such type of activities. Next one, for fighting against infections and diseases. This food, this food enables our body more resistive. It stimulates or triggers our immune system for fighting against any type of infections or diseases. Even not so. On the other hand, it also stimulates our immune for rejuvenation after illness, for recovery itself. Our so in this lecture I discussed a brief introduction about food and its requirement. So in this module I have discussed so many things. Remember and keep continuing with my lecture. See you in next videos. Thank you.